How to assure human rights in health service delivery. But in some cases, you have to bear additional cost in the case of random failures in the supply of medicines. What are the causes behind this? The preparation of procurement plans is weak, and there is no practice to identify needs based on performance data and sickness prognosis. This leads to an improper consumption of medicines and medical supplies from either waste or deficit, lack of capacity to prepare bidding documents and define the technical specifications and necessary requirements. It causes uncertainty and leads to the submission of lower quality bids. Also, there is no process for quality control and monitoring of procured pharmaceuticals. A repeatable process to procure risky medicines such as those which are fake or substandard quality leads to not only a lower quality of medical service but also bears additional costs for the treatment. Finally, the absence of performance analysis on the implementation of public procurement leads to poor planning without consideration of efficiency. However, we have solved this situation by increasing transparency and building social accountability mechanisms through community participation in Ovs Province, Mongolia. Our principle is to pursue the right communication skills with a positive mentality, suspending criticism and focusing on solutions. 1. Tendering phase. Refined bidding document and renewed requirements to enhance the competition. Independent monitoring and observation of the representative of trained citizens during the bid evaluation. The cost of independent monitoring to be included as 0.01% of contract amount. 2. Contract implementation. The representatives of citizens were able to review the delivery of pharmaceuticals. With the assistance of hospital staff, the observation and reconnaissance on the efficiency of selected medicines was conducted. The administration of a survey on the satisfaction of patients and their family members and reflected their feedback to the joint plan to improve service delivery developed by all stakeholders. 3. Reporting. New procurement planning based on the performance data and project results. As a result of this effort, savings of 10% or 113 million tukruk by increasing fairness in competition, increased transparency and strengthened community participatory monitoring mechanisms with social accountability elements by building joint value on capacity, trust, accountability in Mongolian, power in procurement of pharmaceuticals.